Now it's time to paint for all the artists in the house. So go to the starter project for this particular model. You can use the link or you can go through your class. So click on your name, my class, class studio, and then it's the starter project Picasso, right? So click on that, see inside, and remember to click on remix. Right, so you have a pencil and we're about to start drawing. Now I'm going to introduce some new blocks to you and they are under this category of pen. So we have clear, we have stamp, we have pen down, pen up, and then we can change some colors and sizes and things like that. All right, when you want to draw, think about when you want to write. If you hold a pen or a pencil, when you want to write something, you put the pencil down on the paper. That's what the pen down does. And then once you're done writing, you use the pen up, right? So let's do something simple. Let's just add the when clicked, and then we want pen down, and then we want to move, say, 50 steps, right? So let's see what this does. So can you see that? So the pen went down and then it moves 50 steps. Now you need to be careful because the pen is still down. So if I move again, if I move, say, another 50 steps, the pen is still down, so the line is going to keep going, right? So that's why every time you are done, you need to use your pen up. So one thing I could do is use the pen up, and then if I move now, so can you see that I didn't draw the line here? Yeah, so pen down, pen up. But as you can see, every time we click, what we drew before was still there. And that is what the clear is for. So you want to clear your page or you want to erase everything you've done before and then start afresh. And then another thing you want to do is maybe you want to start the pen maybe at the middle of the stage. So let's go to 0, 0. And let's see this. Yeah? Good. All right. But if you notice, the pen is not drawing at the tip of the pencil. It's drawing somewhere at the middle. Now let's go to the costumes. One thing we could do is to change. You can change or you can set the costume center. So if I click on this, can you see where the center is? It's at the middle. But I want it right here. Yeah? All right. So let's see the difference now. If I run this script again, everything goes so fast. Everything goes so fast. So let's make this 100. Yeah? All right. So we can see a difference there. Now I'm going to introduce you to a couple of new blocks, which is the turn blocks. So the turn clockwise or anti-clockwise. Now, if you are not familiar with degrees, don't worry. Think of a circle or a clock, right? As you go clockwise, so as the long hand is going clockwise from 1 to 2 to 3 to 4, it's going in degrees. A straight line is 180 degrees and a circle is 360 degrees. So if you want to turn at a right angle, you use 90 degrees. So I can have this here, 90 degrees. All right, so we can use this to draw something like a square, right? A square would go this way, come down, this way, and then come down, right? So let's leave all this that we have here. I'm going to throw this one away. So I want to move 100 steps and then turn 90 degrees and then move another 100 steps. 100 and then turn 90 degrees again, and then let's see what this does. So can you see that? So it goes and then comes down, and then I can just copy this, duplicate, and add it here to complete my square. Yeah, so that's my square there. Yeah. All right, so I'm going to throw this away. But you notice that everything is going so fast. We don't know what is happening. Let's slow it down a bit. Let's use a wait in between every move and turn. So watch how it goes now. So it will draw the first line, turn, and then wait. Draw the second line, turn, and then wait. So we can see our square being formed. Yeah. Did you see that? Let's play it again. Yeah, so you can slow it down to see how things are moving. Now let's draw a triangle. A square, we said a square we were turning 90 degrees. Now, how do you know how many degrees that you are going to turn by? Like if you want to draw a particular shape. I'm going to give you a quick tip. You just divide 360 by the number of sides that the shape you want to draw has. So 360 divided by 4 is 90. So if you wanted to draw, say, a triangle, 3 sides, 360 divided by 3 is 120. So we're going to change this to 120. Let's change this to 120 and then 120. Remember, a triangle has 3 sides, so we don't need this last one. So let's see what happens now. Yeah. Did you see that? So remember the tip, divide 360 by the number of sides that you want to have. So you're going to have a couple of exercises now. Draw a pentagon. A pentagon has 5 sides. Draw a hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides. And now for the difficult one, draw a circle. How many sides does a circle have? I'm going to leave you to figure that out. Remember to share your project and add it to the studio.